All right, let's, ooh, I only have one earring in. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a short wig review. Oh my god, a short wig review on this short wig. That's so funny. But yeah, I'm just gonna be doing a short wig review on this wig. It is the Miley wig by Sensationnel. It's an empire wig and it is in the color 1B. And it was $32.99 at the beauty supply store. If you want to see my thoughts on this wig, just keep on watching. Alright, now let's get started. So today I'm doing a wig review on the Empire wig. No, on the Miley wig from Empire Wig. I've already tried it on, so this isn't going to be like a first impressions like my last one, but I am going to just be doing a review on the wig. It says on the box, infused with argan oil. That's interesting. And then also it was $32.99 at the beauty supply store. Oh, this is made by Sensationnel actually. Yeah, this is actually made by Sensationnel. It's just an empire wig. I got the Miley wig in the shade, I got the Miley wig in the color 1B. Here is a picture of the model wearing it, but she's wearing it in this red color. I really like it on her. She looks really good. Some maintenance rules on the back of the card. To clean the wig is add a small amount of mild shampoo, using a towel lightly blot excess water and let drip dry. Do not brush, blow dry, or heat style while wet. And it's 100% human hair, and it can be styled with a curling iron or flat iron. So here's the wig right here. I've already worn it like I said, but it's just gonna be a review. So basically, this wig is different from other wigs I've worn. It's not a lace front just because it is a short wig. It doesn't have any clips, as I can see. Yeah. There are no clips or anything, but there is an adjustable strap on the bottom. But yeah, alright, let's get this sucker on. Let me get my mirror. Okay. So, backstory, I got this wig for a purpose. I don't know if you guys know, but I am a Rihanna super fan, and y'all know my girl had the short black pixie cut for the longest time. So I just had to show out because I love her, and I'm trying to get into different wigs that are outside of my comfort zone. So yeah, I'm not satisfied with this yet. But yeah, so basically this is the wig, the Miley wig. I really like it. I feel like I look like someone's auntie, like Imani in this thing, so yeah. It's really comfortable. The only thing that I kind of don't like about this wig is how long it is in the back. It's extremely long. Let me turn around. This is the back, and it's extremely long. It makes me feel like I'm wearing a freaking, what are those things that white people used to wear? A mullet. I feel like I'm wearing a mullet. So I would cut this short. I don't know. I'm not really into cutting wigs, so I'm kind of scared about it. But yeah, I really like it. It's really cute. It's really cute for the summer. I plan on getting different colors because, you know, short hair in the summer is best. But yeah, I probably won't be wearing this wig as often, but I definitely will be wearing it. It was a really nice price, and I just think it looks really good on me. I just got my industrial pierced, and I really like how it kind of just like shows that off. But yeah, that is the end of my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was short, but most of my wig reviews probably will be. There's not really much to say on it. I just wanted to give you guys a look on how it looks on me. Hopefully inspire some people to try out short wigs, because I know it's kind of like not a lot of people wear them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this wig view, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.